Good morning, everyone. This is Sham, Assistant Professor, Civil Department in Chevron Engineering College. Subject Geotechnical Engineering 1, Unit 2, Index Properties of Soils. On topic Consistency Problems. So, write the problem. Previous classes we discussed the consistency limits, plastic limit, shrinkage limit. We discussed the different stages in limits of properties. So today we will discuss problems. Write the problems. An undisturbed saturated specimen of clay has volume of 18.9 centimeter cube and a mass of 30.2 grams. On oven drying, the mass reduces to 18 grams. The volume of dry specimen as determined by the displacement of mercury is 9.9 centimeter cube. Determine shrinkage limit, specific gravity, shrinkage ratio, and volumetric shrinkage. So in this problem, we determine the first one is the shrinkage limit, and next one is the specific gravity, and next one is the shrinkage ratio, and fourth one is the volumetric shrinkage. So here in given data, undisturbed saturated specimen clay has volume 18.9 cubic meters and mass 30.2 grams. And also oven drying, the mass reduces 80 grams, 18. So here volume is 18.9 centimeters and mass is 30.2, and also dry mass is 18 grams. And also next one, volume of dry specimen as determined mercury 9.99. Here give the two volumes and masses is the specimen mass and the dry mass here giving. So first of all, given write the data. M1 means mass. Here mass is M1 38.2 grams, and MD it is the dry mass, means oven drying the mass reduces 18 grams. Next one, unit weight of the water 1 gram per centimeter cube. Next one, here given the volumes. First volume is undisturbed saturated specimen of clay of volume is 18.9. This is the volume, and second volume is the 9.9. It is the displacement of mercury is in dry specimen volume. So first of all, we determine the shrinkage limit. First one, shrinkage limit formula is the Ws equal to M1 minus Md divided by Md minus V1 minus V2 divided by Md into rho W into 100. Here we know the M1, Md and V1, V2 and rho W. Substituted all values in this equation. So M1 is 30.2 and Md is the dry mass 18 divided by Md dry mass 18. Next one, volume 1 18.9, volume 2 9.9 divided by 18 into unit weight of the water 1 into 100. That equal to 17.8%. It is the shrinkage limit. Next, second one, specific gravity G. We find out the G equal to Md by V1 minus M1 minus Md equal to 18 divided by 18.9 minus 30.2 minus dry mass 18. that equal 2.69. And is the one method, and alternate equation is substituted the find out G value. So G equal to 1 divided by rho W divided by rho T minus Ws by 100, where rho W is equal to density of the water 1 gram per centimeter cube and rho D equal to dry density of the soil specimen, means 18 by 9, that equal to 1.818 gram per centimeter cube. Dry mass by dry volume of specimen 18 by 9.9, that equal G equal to substitute this value is 1 by rho W value 1 and rho D value is the 1.818 minus Ws 17.8 divided by 100, that equal to 2.69. It is the specific gravity. Next one, shrinkage ratio. Third one is the shrinkage ratio. So SR equal to gamma D by gamma W, that equal to rho D by rho W equal to rho D means 1 point here, see 1.818 divided by rho W means density of water 1 gram per centimeter cube. Substitute that equal to 1.82. So next one, fourth one is the finally volumetric shrinkage. Volumetric shrinkage is Vs equal to V1 minus Vd into 100 divided by Vd, that equal to V1 18.9 minus 9.9 divided by 9.9 into 100, that equal to 91 percentage. And alternately, volume of shrinkage equal to W1 minus Ws into SR. SR means shrinkage ratio. W1 is the 67.8 and Ws is the 17.8. into SR value 1.82, that equal to 91 percentage. It is the alternated procedure for the volumetric shrinkage. Any doubt in this problem? Next we go to the second problem. The mass specific gravity of the fully saturated of clay having a water content of 36 percentage is 1.86. On oven drying, the mass specific gravity of drops to 1.72. Calculated the specific gravity of the clay and its shrinkage limit. So here give the water content W is 36 percentage, means 0.36. Here we find out the specific gravity of the clay, G value and shrinkage limit. First we find out the G value. So formula is the E into W into G is the formula, and water content is given 36 percentage into G. Then G equal to mass specific gravity Gm equal to G plus C into gamma W by 1 plus C into 1 divided by gamma W. Gm mass is 1.86. Here giving specific gravity, the mass specific gravity at 36 percentage is 1.86. So substitute 1.86 plus G into E value means 0.6 G divided by 1 plus E value 0.36 G equal to 1 plus 0.36 means 1.36 G divided by 1 plus 0.36 G, that equal G value 2.69. And Next one, shrinkage limit. Find out next second one, shrinkage limit. G is the 2.69. Next, now W is equal to gamma W by gamma D minus 1 by G, where gamma D by gamma W equal to mass specific gravity of the dry soil, that equal to 1.72. So here given in the problem, the mass specific gravity drops 1.72. This is on given in the problem. Next, W is equal to 1 by gamma D by gamma W means 1.72 minus 1 by 2.69. That equal to, here gamma D by gamma W value is the 1.72, but here reverse is the gamma W by gamma D, then 1 by 1.72, and G is the specific gravity 2.69, that equal to 0.21. It is the 21 percentage. Next one, also shrinkage limit, another procedure, E dry, void ratio dry, then G by gamma W by gamma D minus 1, G rho W by rho D minus 1, 2.691, and rho D value is 1.72, means rho W by rho D value, that equals 0.565. And we find out the shrinkage limit W is equal to E by G. The value is the, this is substituted in equation 0.565 divided by 2.69, that equal to 0.21. Into multiply 100, then 21 percentage. Then next go to the problem. The Atterberg limits of clay soil are liquid limit 52 percentage, and plastic limit 30 percentage, and shrinkage limit 18 percentage. The specimen of this soil shrinks from the volume of 39.5 centimeter cube at the liquid limit to volume of 24.2 centimeter cube. At the shrinkage limit, calculate the true specific gravity. Here, liquid limit, shrinkage limit, dry condition in respectively. So here, at a liquid limit, in a liquid limit is 52 percentage. So MD dry mass and 52 percentage is the 0.52 dry mass soil, clay soil, and second shrinkage limit is the 18 percentage, then dry mass of dry, and plus 0.18 MD means 18 percentage. Next one is the dry sample is air remaining the dry mass, dry sample also. Here this is liquid limit and shrinkage limit and dry condition is respectively. So difference of the volume of water in A and B 39 point. So soil shrink 39.5 and liquid limit to volume is 24.2 centimeter cube. Here we calculated the shrinkage limit and true specific gravity. So dry difference volumes 39.5 minus 24.2. Here shrinks soil shrink 39.5 minus 24.2. That equal to 15.3. And difference mass of water 15.3 grams. But in these figures, difference equal to 0.52 minus 0.18. Here 0.52 MD and 0.18. This is the difference. So then less 0.52 minus 0.18 into dry mass MD, that equal to 15.3, or MD equal to 15.3 divided by 0.34, that equal to 45 grams. Mass of the water equal to 0.18 MD. So MD value substituted in this mass of water in figure B. So this is 0.18 into MD. MD value substituted in this equation, and 45 0.18 into 45, that equal to 0.8.1 grams. Next, volume of water 8.1 gram 1 cubic meters. Next, volume of solids Vs in B 24.2 minus 8.1, that equals 16.1 cubic meters. Hence, Rho S, density of solids MD by Vs, that equal 45 by divided by 16.1, that equal 2.8 gram per centimeter cube. Next one, Gs, specific gravity. We find out the specific gravity, gamma S by gamma W, that equal to rho S by rho W, 2.8. It is the rho S value, 2.8 divided by rho W is the 1, that equal 2.8. It is the specific gravity. Next problem. The plastic limit of soils is 25% and its plasticity index 8%. When the soil is dried from its state at plastic limit, the volume change in 25% of its volume at plastic limit. Similarly, the corresponding volume change from the liquid limit to the dry state is 34% of its volume at a liquid limit. Next, in this problem, we determine the shrinkage limit and the shrinkage ratio. So first one, shrinkage limit we determine, and after shrinkage, so first of all, in this problem is given data. Write the problem, all of you. In this given data, plastic limit of soils means WP 25%, and plasticity index IP equal to 8%, and volume of change means when dry soil is from its state plastic limit WL 25 plus 8, that equal to 33%. So it is the volume change in liquid limit 34%. So here give the volume change from liquid limit 34%. Next, dry volume VD equal to VL minus 0.34 into VL, that equal 0.66 VL. So VL is the volume of the liquid limit. Similarly, volume change in plastic limit, it is the plastic limit volume changes 25%. So VD equal to VP minus 0.25 VP, that equal to 25%, 0.75 VP. VP means the volume of the plastic limit. So it is the equating 1 and 2. VP equal 0.66 divided by 0.75 into VL, that equal 0.86 VL. So in consistency limits from the diagram, in the clear chart, the soil passes from liquid limit to the plastic limit. There is a change of 1 to 1 minus 0.88 VL in volume and 8% of change in water content. So here see the figure. 8% is change in plastic limit to liquid limit in water, 25 to 33%. So and also volume of liquids 0.12. So here BD, it is the BD divided by AD, this portion equal to FU by AE. FE by AE. These two triangles and two sections is taken, that equal to 8. This value is the 8 divided by 0.12 VL. It is the height is 0.12 VL, and BD equal to 8 by 1.2 VL into 0.34 VL. It is height 0.34 VL. Then find out the BD value. So BD equal 22.6 percentage, and WS equal to WL minus 22.6 percentage, that equal to WL 33 minus 22.6, that equal 10.4 percentage. It is the shrinkage limit WS. Next we find out the shrinkage ratio. The shrinkage ratio formula V1 minus V2 by divided by P and divided by W1 minus W2. So VL minus VP into 100 divided by VD into WL minus WP. VL minus 1 minus 0.88 into 100 divided by 0.66 into VL into 33.25, and VL is the 0.12 into 100 and 0.66 into 8, that equals shrinkage ratio 2.27, and VL value substituted and then calculated final value SR is the 2.27. And next problem, a saturated soil of sample has volume of 25 centimeter cube at the liquid limit. If the soil has liquid limit to shrinkage limit of 42% and 20% respectively, determine the minimum volume which can be attained by the soil specimen. Take G equal to 2.72. So in this given data, liquid limit and shrinkage limit, and sample saturated sample of the volume 25 centimeter cube, and it is at the liquid limit. And if the soil liquid limit and shrinkage limit, liquid limit is 42% and shrinkage limit 20% respectively, determining the specimen volume, minimum volume at with the attended specimen, and G is the 2.72. G means specific gravity. So we go to the solution. This is the figures at liquid limit and shrinkage limit, and is liquid limit 0.5 mg, water 0.2 md. So in these figures 1 and A and B, it sets the specimen of liquid limit, and shrinkage limit. If md is the mass of solids in grams and volume of water at the liquid limits, so VL equal to 42 md in centimeter cube. In these figures, total VL is the 25 centimeters cube. So see the figure here, volume of solids, yes, and md is the dry mass, and here also md dry mass, Vs is the volume of solids, Vm is the total mass volume, water plus solids. So volume of solids Vs equal to md by G into rho W, that equal to md into 2.72 into 1, md by 2.72 cubic meters, that equal to 0.368 md cubic centimeter cube. and total volume equal to 0.42 md plus 0.368 md, but this is equal to 25 centimeter cube here, total volume. Then 0.42 md plus 0.368 md, that equal to 25, from which md equal to 31.74 grams from this equation. At shrinkage limit, the soils attains in minimum volume Vm. Vm equal to Vs plus 0.2 md. So Vs is already defined as 0.36. This is 0.368 md plus 0.2 md, that equal to 0.568 plus 31.74 md value. Totally 18.03 md values is here. Find out 31.74. Then finally shrinkage limit is come. And next we go to the next problem. An oven dried sample of soil has a volume of 265 centimeter cube and mass of 456 grams. Taking G equal to 2.71 means specific gravity. Determine the void ratios and shrinkage limit. What will be the water content which will be fully saturated the soil sample and also causing increase in the volume equal to the 10% of the original dry volume. So here give the at shrinkage limit and dry wet state. See the figures. MD water content is 0.212. It is the we find out in shrinkage limit 31.2%. So first one we find out the dry density rho d equal to md by v. Rho d means dry density, md means mass of the volumes. So here weight mass of is 456 grams divided by volume is 265. That equal to 1.71 gram per. This is the volume 265. That equal to 1.721 gram per centimeter cube. But rho d equal to the formula G into rho w by 1 plus C. Here rho d 1.721. That equal to G is the specific gravity 2.71. Substitute into 1. Rho w unit weight about 1 plus C, for which E equal to 2.71 by 1.71 minus 1, that equal to 0.575. Here shrinkage limit E by G. E value is the 0.57 and G is the specific 2.71, that equal 0.212. That is shrinkage limit 21.2% at water and solids. In these figures, the state specimen shrinkage limit and desired weight state, final state respectively, Vm equal to volume of mass 265 centimeters is given in problem, and also Vs equal to md by G, that equal to mass of the total mass is 456 divided by, and G is the specific gravity 2.71, that equal to 168.27 centimeter cube. At the final desired state, V equal to 1.1 Vm. Vm already we calculated volume of mass 265 in this problem. So 1.1 into 265, that equal 291.5 centimeter cube. So but from equation V equal to volume of solids plus volume of water. Volume of water plus solids is 168.27. We calculated. So volume of solids here, and VW equal to 290. Total volume is V minus Vs. So V total volume is 1291.5 minus 168.27. That equal to 123.23. So mass of the water in final state MW equal to 123.23 grams Hence, water content in the final state mW by md. mW is the 123.23 grams divided by md. Total mass is the 456. In this problem given problem that equal 0.27 into 100 multiplication is come to the percentage is water content that is called 27%. Okay, clearly? Any doubt in this problem? So first thing is to find out the shrinkage limit and volume of mass and total volume and also volume of water calculated. Then finally water content in final state with multiply the 100% that equal to 27%. Thank you very much. Any doubt in the session? Okay, thank you very much.